I will be direct. Stop paying those AI monthly subscriptions. What if I told you that you are able to run on your own computer your own large language model and, of course, at no cost? Here is Ollama. This is lightweight AI tools that let you run on your local machine and AI models, of course, with no internet, with no hidden cost, and full privacy. Let's talk about it now. So to have it, you just have to come to ollama.com. Then you are going to be able to download the application here. Just click here, download. And after that, you choose your platform, whether it's macOS, Linux, or Windows. After that, you are able to use it on your machine. Then you just look for the model. Now I'm going to trial, Mistral. Then you have all the information that you want. You have the models, and of course, you have the command line that you can use if you want to try it and test it, of course, directly. I'm going to copy it. Then when I'm come to my CLI, I just have to paste it. Ollama run Mistral. Then I have my information here. I'm going to ask a simple question. What are the symptoms of COVID? Then you see it begins to answer quickly. I have every kind of information that I need to have my questions easily and simply. Now, if you want to go further, it is of course possible. You just have to come here. It has the possibility to run through the CLI like I did before. If you're a developer, you can use it in Python, JavaScript, CURL. It is quite simple. And as I showed before, you are able to use every kind of model that you want. And of course, they are not proprietary models, but only open source one.